Well, good morning and welcome to Gadget Corner. Today we're looking at the Friday Smart Lock, which controls your door lock using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connected to your phone. Download a simple app, and to lock it, just slide to the left, see it turn. You can share that with other people too. If you've got a tradie coming, you can give them a code or give him the app just for a temporary access, and of course you can unlock. You can also program it to lock when you leave automatically and unlock when you return home, and of course it still operates as a normal lock. And if it is unlocked using the manual system, it tells you that someone's just unlocked your door.